Yo. I don't got a chat. I don't know. I can't see no one in the chat. That's crazy. All right, this chat is probably not even meant for y'all. Okay. We going let's see. So for today, we went 1 and 3 on gold. So 1 week we went 3.4, 1 week we went 1.4. This week is not really profitable. But yeah. This week we 1 and 3 on gold, and I think 2 and 1. So 2 and 1 on straight 1 RRs. It was crazy profits today though. Crazy. Let's see what we did today. I think I traded around 5. So everything I took on the graph, but everything I didn't. Let's see, 5. So let's see. So first it was above here. Went up. I thought it was gonna wick at least to here. It broke out. This breakout zone, crazy. We're gonna talk about the breakout zone today. So look, wicks here, lost. I was gonna enter this one. I missed this. I was mad. So everything I missed, I left on my fib. So I would have entered another buy. That would have been a W. That would have been 2. Enter the sell right here because it looked like the price did not want to go up. So after the nearby. So boom. So why the hell I sell here? So nearby. Wait, come down. I seen the nearby here. It was playing around here, wicked up, lost that one. So I was 1 and 2. Very disappointed in myself. Not really. I can't really be disappointed. You just go with your strategy sometimes. Okay. What was here that I entered? Okay, because it's okay, so I was selling? No, hell no. What the hell was I doing here? I wish I could make it. Let's make it look better. Let's zoom in. All right, so boom. Was I trying to sell? What the hell was I trying to do here? Maybe I was. I'm trying to see what the hell was I trying to do. I put it here for a reason. All right, but the 50 is here. I got it from here to here. There's really no. I don't. Fucking EI. So one touch. Okay, I seen the EI. So boom. Down. To be honest, there's really no. All right, this is the. All right, okay. Now I see the real entry. So the real entry would have been right here. Boom, you would have entered, you would have lost right away. Yeah, I thought it would still sell. This is a good sell. I wouldn't been mad too mad. Yeah, I wouldn't have been too mad about this sell. So wait, I seen the nearby. Right here. Wick didn't answer that one. That would have been. So I would have been like, well, let's see, 2 lost, 2 and 4, 3 and 5, 4. Then enter this one. That would have been our thing. That would have been like a 7 or 4 now. Look, that EI would have gone crazy. We missed this EI, but we gained this EI. It's a lot of EIs that happened today, too. A lot of EIs. So much EIs. It is crazy. Crazy. Thanks for the like. Thanks for the like. Bro, today was crazy with the EIs. So it's crazy. Let's see. Boom, sell. It wakes up. Low key, this is a nearby you can't enter right here. Cause I be telling in real time, I can know in real time, I know this is a entry. I don't know if it's a W though. It's called it wakes it. Yeah, it's a W. It's a W. I wouldn't count it though. I wouldn't count this one, but it is the W if you caught it. Like this is something like when we count our stuff, if I ain't catch it, I wouldn't count this. That's too quick. Boom, boom. That would have been like 20 seconds. Take profit and then go. So boom, you wake up. Boom, boom. So here's no EI was formed. Cause no EI. This would have been an EI right here when it touches twice. But no EI was formed against us. So boom, 1, 2, it breaks. It doesn't even show a wickish or candles anyways. If it showed the wickish, we probably would have entered in loss, but yeah. So EI was created both ways in this one, and both ways it kind of worked. It kind of worked in both ways, in all honesty. In all honesty, that's crazy. You could have won an EI of 3.5 for both ways. So look, one. So let's say which one we starting first? Here, because it's happened here first. So 1, it hits here 1 time. 2, it hit here 2 times. It hits so it's like in here. I let it. This I ain't gonna lie. When I seen this, I entered because I seen 2 red candles on my broker. You know, I only enter off 2 candles. This was showing me a doji. So even if you want to take the real EI, this was showing me a doji I was going to enter. Then I look back in here, it was showing me this blue doji. And I was like, nah, I'm not. I want to follow my rules. But it hit. I was going to enter that one. And then the sell one was boom, boom, comes up for the 3rd time. Either you could enter this one, which it did work. I wouldn't enter low-key. I could. This is what I like about this one. Price has to come back here because it broke out of here. So would I enter this one? Maybe depend. I want to test this a little more. Like price will come back to here, so I'd have been like here. Stop loss right here. I really don't like the stop loss. That's the problem. Like so, say even though it won, I don't see this winning like too often. So god damn, why is it so big? So that would have been our stop loss and our TP. Ooh, I hate when it don't show 3 to 5 because it's usually a 3 to 5. Oh no, it's not a 3 to 5. Watch, I can make this a 3 to 5. Right, it's usually a 3 to 5. So, because every time I just be getting 3 to 5. Oh, it's not the same 319. We go roll. It's always higher than 3 though. Always higher than 3. So look, the EI 1 smack. No, 1 smack, 2 smack. It's respecting the zone. It's going to the downside. Boom. We already got this buy up and we got the buy down. So say you bought up because you're just following the trend. You following the trend. But if you want to sell down to get this reversal of price coming back to here, you can. And I'm trying to see where else you could enter. It comes here for the 3rd. So this is the 3rd. So 1, 2. It didn't touch here. This is the 3rd touch. It comes here. Probably could have got in here if you missed the entry. If you missed the entry, like from this one, you could have got in this one. I usually like, I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes like when it wicks, like if I see an entry like this, it comes here. Like I forgot to miss it, and it's like come back up here. I entered. It's like I entered here. So if it lost, it's like I entered here. Like I said, I usually do not take profits. I don't care about exiting early. It's either going to lose or it's going to win. I believe in that. I don't believe in taking profits early. I don't believe in nothing because you take profits early, you're just thinking with emotion. You're just thinking with emotion, and statistically, you have to look at your strategy and know that it wins overall. I see my strategy win overall without even touching a take profit or taking out early. And since I see that, I will not take profit. So I will gladly feel more safe entering again here because I, even if I don't enter here and I miss this and it comes back here, I don't take profit. So if you missed it, can't enter here, and wow, bam. I'm trying to see another good entry you could have did for the sell. I really don't see one. You could say this, but it's not really sexy. It don't look good. It don't look good. And this, it was a nearby because boom, boom, it wicks up. I thought it was gonna come back down to here, then go back up. Doesn't. I think that was our next loss. Let's see. We got another nearby we could have caught right here. Boom, nearby, boom, boom, wait, home. That's a win. Boom, boom, nearby comes here. Wait, probably wouldn't catch that if it's too small, but that's a nearby you could have catch. Boom, so boom, 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 come by, nearby, miss, loss, because it doesn't touch here. It doesn't hit. So you miss, boom, boom, nearby, miss, boom, 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 boom. It drops, boom. Boom, nearby, never, no nearby is created or formed against us. Boom, 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 boom. It's 2 o'clock. I draw. What the hell I draw here? I think a nearby was formed against us. That's why I had to draw this shit. Wasn't near, but I'm showing from here to here. That's what it looks like. Uh, I don't really see nothing. It's like I'm forcing it, so I'm gonna delete that. But I did draw it, so I want to see what the hell I was seeing. Oh yeah, maybe this. So nearby formed against. He lost this one. Okay, I don't like this nearby. In all honesty, I'm trying to see a replay button while I like this nearby. So smack, smack. Okay, I see what I was talking about. Nearby is kind of trash. Now I'm thinking about it. It's like it's a 50. It's like a 60. It's like a 60. It's like a 60% win rate with a 101. It's not really that good. I at least wanted 70. 70 I can get with a fucking 530 to 730. And that's just randomly taking 50 the 50 what's it called? The 50 fib just in the trend direction. That went 70% of the time. So boom, boom. So you see this wake up, boom, boom, boom. EI was formed against us. I'm trying to see if it wins. It does win, but this is nasty work. It's probably like 4:30. I usually stop around, but I got 4. Yeah, 4 o'clock. It's around 4, like right here. So I probably would have stopped. So that's for gold. What we got for 30, and then we could go into our strategy and see what the hell is up. So US Cherche. So you had 2 EIs, really 3 EIs formed against us. That is 3.5%. Or if you want to do half, 1.7, 1.5, either one. So let's go. So today's stats was 2 and 1 off the 30. I came back in the nighttime, so it is a lot of setups we could have took today on 30. A lot, probably like 12. But we only captured 3. That's crazy. That's why I said sometimes the 1 minute, it's like I go over every one you can catch, but it's kind of hard to catch every setup. It's hard to catch every setup sometimes. It's hard. It's hard to catch every setup, but look, we're gonna start with 5. So let's see if it. Nope. So I gotta zoom in. So 5. So look how much US30 was killing it. Yo, I'd be like, gold be killing. Gold kills with the EIs, bro. Gold is fucking killer with EIs, bro. It is killer. But US30 is good with nearbys, and that's what I have to start noticing. I'm starting to notice it for these last 2. But how long I tested this strategy? 3 weeks. I hadn't even back tested it. When I was looking at EI, it was killing for gold. That's why I was like, it's hard. And so I thought nearby was going to kill for gold, but it didn't. And then when I tested back on US30, like previous, it was like 50, 60%. But now, like, it was more. Now, it was like 65% when I retested. But now it is like, it's still 65, 70. But gold, it's like half, bro. It's half. Gold, I know we're profitable to today. Let's see if 30 be profitable. So 30 broke out from here. And look, like I said, I got 30 words. It broke out here, came here. It always comes back. I'm telling you, price always comes back. So a sell was formed against us. That's why I said the breakout, it is formed against us. So we're not gonna get too deep. We're gonna show you when I replay the stats. So this one, boom, boom. EI was formed against us. 1. That's the W. Oh, I keep saying this is just 5:30. So boom, boom, boom. Another one. Boom, another one. I'd have been 3-0. 3-0, 5 o'clock. Boom, 3-1. Boom, 3-2. Boom, 4-2. It's probably so boom, boom. What the fuck was I doing? I know I won't buy you. Oh, I think it was an EI formed against us. Yeah, EI was formed against us. I enter, I lose. I enter again. I hit the 1, but I lose. So that's a couple of losses. That's like 4-4. Probably break even for the day. EI usually saves us. So 1, 2. If you want to count this as an EI, it does work. This EI does work. I wouldn't like this EI, to be in all honesty. I didn't count this as an EI. I think I counted it as a nearby. So yeah, nearby with the I wouldn't count this as an EI. It does hit the 3.5 RR, but I need something like this. I can't enter off. This ain't counterfied as 2 touches to me. It need to wick out. I probably would have found something around here. Low key. This is a good. I think the EI was in profit. Let's see. Yup. Went in profit. You know what I noticed? Thursday is always a good day. Every Thursday for the past 3 weeks, the EI's been fucking crazy. It's been super crazy. So EI is super crazy. I like it. I like it. So be patient. Sometimes I hold me would have forced this, but I'd have been like, fuck it. That was the nearby. You enter this, and then the EI hits from right here. Nice, beautiful EI, bro. That's a beautiful EI. And then it breaks out. So it broke out. So it breaks out from here. You can kind of price will come back to here eventually. And did price come back here today? Yes, it did. So price would have came back here eventually if it sells. So boom. Boom. We can't. This wasn't a breakout yet. This is the breakout. When they broke out of here, boom, we knew price is coming back here and price is coming back here. This is where price is coming. It breaks out here. It actually came back here. Price always come back to where it breaks out at. So I'm not trying to confuse y'all. I'm not even trying to put this in a strategy. I'm just telling you, price. This ain't even part of the strategy, but price breaks where it breaks at. It comes back. Price doesn't just keep going up. Usually, especially on small time frames. But if it just keep going up and up and up and up, like I wouldn't be scared to like. I just say if price was it always come back here. I still wouldn't be scared to buy. Like I'm still buying up here. I'm still buying, but eventually, if I see some type of strong EI and strong, like boom, 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 there's an EI formed against us right here. Boom, 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 boom. Instead of the 3 to 5, you can do like a 5R. Like, watch out, like over up here, we're gonna try to catch a 5R. And I caught one breakout setup. It was a 7-1, and then top tier just fucking. I don't know, top tier, I don't want to name top tier fucking trash. So yeah. So boom, it breaks out of here. So boom, EI, no nearby or EI is formed against us. So boom, bam, boom, boom. You can enter off this. This is a nearby right here. Nice nearby. And you probably could get it for more pips too. So instead of this 101, sometimes I probably would have, you could finesse it, as in, instead of the 101, you could get in here. I ain't gonna say, even though it did hit the 3. We don't care for the nearbys. Don't really hit 3s. That's why I don't enter off 3s off nearby. We're testing it with the 530 to 730. Is it really more profitable on gold? For the past 3 days, it looked like it, but we need more than 3 days. And US 30, it's no go. It's a no go. But US 30 is always profitable. It is like 60%. So like I probably would have pushed it to like right here, like where price hits at, somewhere above here. It's a nice 1.5. You probably would have got like 1.5. That would have been nice. Very nice. So boom, boom, boom. You probably would have been up what? Like at least 4% by now. 4, boom, boom, 5%, boom, boom, 6%. Oh my God. So boom, no EI is formed against us. If you entered here, you would have lost. Boom, back to 5. Hits here, no EI or nearby was formed against us. Let's see. You can say, let's see. Nah, I don't like this. I wouldn't like this. I don't like this. Oh, yeah. That's not. I wouldn't do this. EI. I wouldn't. Personally, I wouldn't. I'm trying to think. Like, would I really count this as an EI? Probably not. Nah, this too weak for me. I wouldn't count this as an EI. You don't never try to force your strategy. So even it looks like a good EI too, though. Like here, like it's a sloppy EI, but once you catch sloppy EIs, you're gonna try to keep catching sloppy EIs. That's why I said just miss it. Some shit just miss. Like you don't want to catch this. This is a sloppy EI to me. Like it is the same area. Don't get me wrong, but I need a definitive point. Like I don't really like this point right here. It breaks out. It comes one. And don't get me wrong, like you can count this as an EI. Like me, I probably wouldn't. And it's in an uptrend as an uptrend. But if the EI does work, like I probably would have looked for the EI down here. Like I think I did. I probably would have thought of the EI right here. So boom, boom, boom. And it didn't come up here. EI never was formed against us. So, but it was formed here. And I don't even know where you enter at. So you enter, boom, 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 boom. The most you can do if you did create this EI is enter from here. It doesn't lose neither. It doesn't lose neither one either. Well, here it's still profitable both ones, but you could drag this to. So say if you did enter this EI, you could drag. Let's just say we're not going to those. Let's just say this one. This one looks a little bit better. This one looks a little bit better. So we're gonna do a stop loss right here, which it is right here. So the EI is a. It's never really a 3. It's never really a 2. It's just, you know, when the lines ain't set up, you see, yeah, this joint ain't never really a 2. Never really a 2. It's always like a 3.3 or 3.5. So it's like a 3.5 strategy. But this is what I ought to did. You could do it here. This is safe. I ain't gonna lie. This is a safe one. This I do be scared. Like I said, I'm scared because I haven't tested this enough. You scared of the market when you don't test it enough. You can't say, yeah, man, price. I said it, price comes back to here. Which it does, and you could have caught that 8.5, but I'm not found on how, the percentage how much times this hit. I'm found 50% of the times of the EI is created, it at least hits here. 50% of the times with a 3.5. I'm cool with that. You feel me? I don't know. This is probably a lower percentage, and I don't know. So I have to, like I said, I'm really testing this. I just know price always comes back to here. So boom, it comes back, it hits here, and it hits here. I probably could have finished the challenge, but shit, we don't know that. We don't know where prices the market is going. So after that, you're probably done after like right here. So yeah, damn, that was quick. It's quick. Now, now, okay. I ain't gonna lie. We're gonna delete these gold joints. So the first thing I'll do now when I wake up in the morning is write what price breaks out at. So if it broke out here and I see price here, it's gonna come back here. If I see price breakouts from here, it comes back here. If I see price breakout from here, I see price breaks from here, it comes back here. I don't know when, but it will eventually come back. Price broke out from here, price will come back here. Eventually, most of the time, prices usually come back. Don't overcomplicate the market though. Like, don't try to make too much. That's why it's like I just know price comes back to that area. Like, I would just make that a TP, but I'm not trying to overcomplicate it. Like, I wouldn't use that as, man, the reversal. Like, I'm gonna just keep following the trend because you can't always be right. So I'm gonna just keep following that the girl is mine. Because the doggone girl is mine. Don't waste your time. Because the doggone girl is mine. Well, it's clone. The girl is mine, mine. Don't waste your time. Girl is mine. The girl is mine. The girl is mine, mine. Don't waste your time. What the fuck? Oh my gosh, what the hell I just do? Oh my gosh. The girl is mine, because the doggone girl is mine. I'm a lover, not a fighter. You keep dreaming. No, the girl is mine. She's mine. All right. So Damn, I should be writing the stats to this. But every day a percentage. I am dumb because I'm just writing the numbers to this. So like 2%, 3%, 4%. Like I'm not writing. Okay, I see how I write the numbers here. I'm gonna write for now on. I'm gonna start writing the percentage wise. Cause look, nearby. Like you see, I'm writing stats to this. So every my strategy. So like 2, 3, 2. Every time the EI wins on gold, we're just good. I just know that. So EI, I didn't write one here. 3, 1. I'm mad that I didn't. It's probably like 3 point. I'll say like 3.5. I'm gonna say 3.3. You could just say 3R. It doesn't matter. Like yesterday I wrote it, but why today I did? Like some days I do that and some days I don't. Doesn't matter, but we're gonna calculate. We're gonna calculate. Calculation. Okay. Who is it? Sell. So we going for the sell. This is 530. Think, but I go negative on gold, right? So 530, boom, we already could get started. Boom, we could get started early. One. Let's see. One in the L. Okay. We could see. So L. Damn, that's crazy how we just clicked the right spot. One. One. That's an L right there. So 2 and 2. Damn, how we clicking the right spot for this one, but no other one is formed against us? So boom. I can enter here, lose. Enter, lose. That's another one you could draw. Let's see. That's one right there, but there's a lot of ones you could have caught today. Do you say you do we want to say we entered this one? That's what I'm scared of. Do I want to say I entered this? Let's see. Nah, I ain't. Hell no. Nah. Hell yeah. You're right. You ain't answer that. I was gonna give us the L, but that's not been near 50. If it was close to 50, I would have entered. I ain't gonna lie. So boom. Oh, boom, wig. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Nice. Oh yeah, we usually win 3 to RRs. Yeah, for gold, we usually win. That's crazy how we don't win nearbys, but something with nearbys. I think we don't win nearbys, but we win 3 Rs. That's one right there. So we're higher percentage on that 3 RR. So basically what the previous statistics is telling me, enter 3 1 RRs with gold, but for 30, just enter 1 1s. You have to figure out stuff in the market nobody even knows, so you can take a super advantage. I think this is where we change direction. Okay. Yeah, we start to change direction. This is skip. There's a lot of skipping. So boom. I think I tried to buy here. I think that is where I failed at. Yup. Tried probably buy. I think I failed. Let's see. Yup. Tried to fail. I failed that one. Boy, failed. So boom. That's an L. So Oh no, that would have been super crazy. So we're break even on both. Oh, boom, boom, boom. I see the sales going back to sales for me. Boom, 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 boom. Something tell like I was saying buy sell right here, but no, I was saying buy. I was saying buy. Yeah. So buy. That'd have been a loss though. You know what? We're not going to count out this buy because real time. I want to enter the 3-1 here, but it did win with this. You know what? I'll enter it. I probably would have entered. So this would have been an L though. Let's see, blue and hat and it's down. So we -1 with that one. Now I went for sales. So boom, sell was formed against us. So let's see. Oh my gosh. So sell was formed against us. And let's see. Hopefully this one wins for the sell. So we're gonna delete some of these. So 4 and 2. Crazy, you see? If we take more setups, we would have been positive. That's why I don't even be mad. Like when I'm negative for the day, and then when I look back on goal, I'm like, I'm still smiling as hell. Like I'm negative for the day, sure, but my strategy works because if I took everything, I would have been positive. But hopefully this one works, and that's really probably been that's a nice 2%. Let's just see if it works. It doesn't, so that's a damn. Oh, that's -1. That's -2. Hopefully we could make a profit back. So boom, it comes up. We're gonna try to sell again after this. Damn, we'll sell. So sell. It does hit this 50. Damn. I think it does come down here, but so boom, we enter. Oh, okay. I don't know. Did I enter this shit? Okay, I did. I was being greedy because I'm thinking it's really a W. It is. This is why I say I stick to the strategy. You gotta stick. That's why I said sometimes you go, fuck. No, I did this because I entered late, and then usually when I enter late, I try to get back. I was trying to get all right, so I entered late, like around here, because I'm like, if I miss this, I can at least get this. I entered late. I tried to get back in. I tried to get back to. I was here. I'm thinking, okay, I should have just closed. I ain't gonna lie. I should have closed. Like discipline wise, don't never look at prop. Like, bro, no one is perfect. No one is perfect. Just so discipline wise, take your profits. This is really a W, but take your profits. Like this is a 101. Maybe it would have hit. Let's see. Yeah, it would have hit. It would have been a nice 101. A nice 101. So that would have been where's my board? Where's my board? All right. Whoa. Oh, okay. I'm tripping. This is what I did today. I'm tripping. Okay. So you'd have been a nice 5 and 2, but for 3-1 RRs, you would have been a nice. God damn, you'd have kept losing if you. That's why some usually the 3-1 RRs is usually pretty good, but some days, like I said, you're never going to be profitable every day. You're never going to be profitable every day. Like, look, this is the gross though. This is nasty. That's why I love the EI though. The EI confirms like the 50% 3RR. Like EI is always 3-1, but it's 50%. Like this joint hits at a 50% clip. Okay. So as I see this, I probably would have entered this. Low key, I would have entered this because I'm like, okay, price coming here. It hits the W. It hits the W. Maybe it wins, maybe it don't. Hopefully this comes up to here. So let's see. Okay. Damn. I was looking for it to recover because I was like, okay, at least we go break even. I like at least we go break even. But we just don't go break even today. So I probably wouldn't sell this. I'm waiting. What time is it? Oh, it's 7:30. All right. So this is what we together at 7:30. This is nasty work. I was looking for that break even. I'd have been cool with break even, but this is 4% for today. And damn it. Damn, I feel bad for 3. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4%. 4%. Versus, oh my gosh, I hate to see it. 7, -4. So -4. Oh my gosh. Ooh, this look nasty. That looked disgusting. Let me see the other ones. Let's just see the other joints. So like yesterday we went 0%, but with a 4. Today we went 4, but with a -4. The other day we went 3 with a +1. The other day we went 6 with a +1. So as of right now, what's winning? 9%, -4. That's 5. So 5%, 8. Yeah. The one on ones is winning. Ones and ones is winning. Damn. So what the one on ones win on the E? Nah, it's 50. I'm not gonna take that risk with the EI. The EI, that's my advantage, low key. Low key, if anything, EI is my advantages. To be honest, it really is. EIs is my advantages of winning prop firm because I'm entering 3.5. This is just randomized 3-1 RRs. Just like you really shouldn't enter 3-1s randomly. That's what I'm thinking, anyways. But yeah, I might delete this stat eventually. I'll probably test it for one more week and then I'll probably be done. So all right, so boom. Let's delete some of this. Damn, did I test? Oh, I'm still on my first test. I'm still on my first test. So okay. For sales, I could create this as no EI is formed against us. This is a EI. So boom. 1, 2, 3. I don't really like this nearby. This is nasty. So boom. No EI is really formed against us. So boom. That could be a EI. So enter. Boom, 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 boom. That's a loss. So that'd have been a loss. So EI is formed against us. And then, or sometimes you could wait till it comes out, wakes up, and then go for the 3-3. Sometimes I do that. But if you want to just get enter, be your guess, it's 2 entries you could do. I usually kind of wait. It comes down. But you could just say a L. Because either or I enter. I don't really got a specific one. Because sometimes it could leave you, or sometimes that's just enough. This is just enough, like right here. This is enough. But even if it comes here, it can wake back up. That's enough, to be honest. So yeah, the EI was not formed against us. So boom, boom, boom. No, nearby is formed against us. Boom, nearby is formed against us. Boom, nearby wins. So nearby is formed against us. Boom. I don't like this nearby. I probably won't enter this nearby because I'm just thinking of bars. Boom. No nearby is formed. Nope. No nearby is formed against us. No nearby is formed against us. Nothing is really formed against us right now. So boom, boom. I was about to say I'm obligated to sell. I'd have been obligated to sell right there. Boom, 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 boom. Wicks starts here, wicks up, ends here. Did I enter this shit? Probably would have. I probably would have. Maybe. Don't know. Like I said, in real time, if I entered it, I would have counted it. But even if it won or lost, I can't count that because I don't know if I entered. That's why sometimes this is like 85% true. What are we on? Buys? Yeah. So I'm trying to see what's formed against us. So boom. I'll start to sell. Boom, 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 boom. So let's say school. So boom. Nearby's kind of formed against us. Low key, this is a loss. If you, maybe it's too small in this chart firm, but let's see. This is low key a loss. This is low key a loss. Yeah, that's a loss. I kind of found it as a loss because if it won, I would have kind of found it as a W. So let's say school. I ain't gonna. Oh no! I'm glad over this replay button. So right now, nearby. I want to change the fact of nearby. I am going to change it eventually because nearby is like a 60% win rate with a 1-1. I don't like it. Like this 1-1 down here, it's good. It's a good percentage. It went 3%, 4%, 5%. Like it be winning. It be winning like 4% of the day. Nearbys don't be winning like this. It wins like 1%. I had like 3 negative days so far. But like I said, EI usually EI is the day saver. You don't really lose like 5. I never really lost 5. It don't even happen to be 5 EIs in one day. If it's 5 EIs in one day, you lose all of them. The market is fucking nasty right now. But usually, if it's 4 EIs, you're gonna win. Maybe you're gonna win 1, should 2, but it won 3 today. It's wild. Wow, check this out, man. So EI is starting to get formed against us too. Boom, boom. Let it come up. Let it sink. Got a rise though. Now, if the EI hits here, so boom, 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 boom. No nearby is formed against us. This is a nearby. This is kind of formed against us. You can cheat it, but don't. I don't know. You can't cheat this though. So wick comes up. Nearby formed against us. Yeah. Yeah, you count that as a W. Like I said, I might change the factor of nearby soon. Like I like nearby like this, like breakout, wigs down, come like breakout like this, wick, come, this is a nice narrow. It doesn't even hit 50. This, wick, come, this, put a thing nearby right here, come, this, never hit. It does hit 50. Right here, wick, loss. Trying to see here, comes up 50, wins. Here, is this 50? Oh, might be 50. Yo, no 50. Might have answered, might have not, depending. So no here. Wick is formed against us. Wick is prosperity. Wick is formed against us. Wick is prosperity. The nearby is actually pretty. I did say this. And the thing is, I never took this. When I first made this strategy, I'm sorry. Shit is going to get changed. When I first made the strategy, I said if the trend is going in the up way in a trendy market, which this is kind of like a trendy market, and it's a lot of, I said 3 candles. You pull out the fib and you pull and you make till you get to 50 and you enter. That might be more profitable, to be honest. Like, let's see, this converted to a sell. I meant a buy. You pull out, never hits here. Boom, 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 boom. You never really enter on any of these. This is where you start to enter. Pull out, one win. Pull out, never hit. Pull out, win. Pull out, win. Pull out, win. Pull out, loss. Pull out, loss. Pull out, win. Pull out, then enter. Pull out, win. Pull out, win. I said about 2-3 wins with 7 wins. I might be on to something. Bro, I'm telling you, bro, I could just make shit better. I make shit better. I make shit happen. But nearby is still profitable. It's crazy. Nearby is still profitable. It's just a better, what is it? Discipline strategy. Okay, now it's time for boom. Boom. This is what I've seen. All right, like, let's see. On this I think it was this candle right here. Yup. It was this junk right here. I seen red. I promise you, bro. On the broker, I was looking at both the broker because I'm getting ready to enter. I'm looking at the broker and the junk. So I'm rubbing my hands. I'm like, ooh, it's looking good. I ride with a loss because even if you enter from here, I know that's 2 candles. So boom, you wick. It doesn't come yet. You enter from here. Whoa. Hold on. It did smack though. Okay, it did smack. What I'm saying. Okay, I'm not precise with I was precise. I be forgetting this is different shit. Okay, it did smack. Even so, I'm trying to look for. Can you even answer this? I would say even answer this one, to be honest. Let's see. Boom. Boom. You the loss. You the loss. You the loss. Let's say here. Let's say this one. Never even come. So, okay. That EI was formed against us. So, I ain't gonna lie. I seen it in real time. So, I'm counting it. Like, there was really 2. Look. Did it just change? Whoa. I told you I seen 2 red ones. I told you. Look, there's 2 red. Look at this. A red and a blue. And a broker. 2 reds. And this one is a red and a blue. I told you. Sometimes you see different ones. And it's like, You feel me? So this does count. And does it count? It should. So what would I call this? Let's see. What would be the order? And you can re-enter from there. So it's 3 EIs. You didn't call 2 EIs. So 3.52. So damn. What? Oh no, this is my damn. Goddamn. Oh my gosh. So we got to delete this. So we're gonna say 3.52. So boom. So 3.52. All right. Even let's just say we don't catch this one. Still profitable for today. Like I would have caught either one. I ain't gonna lie. I was debating on catching either one. So boom, boom. Let's just say I ain't gonna lie. You could have entered for either one. So smack comes here, wick here, wick. Wow. So either one you'd have been very profitable. But you wouldn't. You really wouldn't. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna put 2 ERs. I can't. In my right during mine, I wouldn't even enter both of them. In no way in hell I would have entered both. If I either or though, you win. You do win. But I'm saying everyone you would have took. But it's like I can't do that to myself. I really can't because I don't enter nearbys when I'm in an EI. I won't even think of entering. So would this be fair if I count this as a W or should I just let it go? Should I let this go? Like this is not an EI. This is too weak. Too weak. Like it is an EI, but it's a weak EI. Like, let's see. Do I count this as an EI? And it does work. Look, it does work. So if you know what? I count this as an EI. I just won't count this. Okay, I'll do that one for y'all because it's 2 EIs at the same time, and low key, it's both uptrend EIs. That's following the trend. That's way more safer. That's safe. We're following the strategies to the core. And look, we can just do this EI right here. Boom, boom, boom. It comes here, wicks up. Never hits the 50. Comes here, wicks up. And hits this. We could say 3.3. We could just say 3.4. So this is a 3.42. We're not even gonna count this EI, which is another EI formed against us. But yeah. Boom. Long wick. Like I said, long wick comes here. Bro, we really might change nearbys because you could just go like this. It's long wick comes to 50. It breaks. Oh my gosh. And that used to be my nearbys. I don't know. I still gotta edit this video. So boom, boom. Nearby does work though. This nearby works. So nearby works. Boom, boom. We might change nearby though. I'm really hoping to change nearby. New nearby setup. Let's see. We gonna live test. New setup. 3 retracement candles. Then enter fed 3 new setup. 3 retracement candles. Then answer 0.50% off the fib trend in trend direction. In trend direction. We're gonna test for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Go 1 RR. Go plus 66 win rate. We want a 66% win rate. We want a 66% win rate with this new 3 candle setup. So the 3 candle setup, I had this at first. I had it in my strategy, but never really applied it to the when I started really testing it. I had the nearby. I had the 3 candle. I didn't even have the nearby. I had the 3 candle. I had the EI. I just had the 3 candle, the EI, and a nearby. I had those 3. I put in a 530. The 530 is pretty okay. Randomized, following the trend, and doing what you're doing. But it is a trend following. I gotta put trend following. Trend following. Trend following. So it is a trend following method. It is trend following. So boom. I like it though, because look, it does keep it consistently wins. So boom, boom, boom. Here comes 50. So boom, boom, boom. Keys win. Red. Doesn't go 50. Red 50. Red 50. Red doesn't win. It does consistently win as I'm seeing it. Like red. Okay, boom. But now, all right, now it's not in the way of the trend, so I wouldn't take it. So boom, 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 boom. So okay, that's a blue. Let's see. Boom. Oh my gosh. It went so it looks so nice. Oh my god. That shit is so beautiful. This shit is sexy, bro. So sexy. Or we can keep nearby. Switch it to 30. Because 30 nearby it's more. It's more. Gold is the one when it hits 50. Because even for 530, you can see it. It for nearby is for the 530 nearby is for even when nearby work for 30. So when it hits the top of the key or support resistance twice and it pulls back, it usually comes back up. Like, all right, it hits support twice, or it is 2 areas support is that. And then when it wicks down, and it starts to come back up, you enter at that 50s echelons, and then it usually just comes back and finish up the area of support. But for gold, I noticed when the candles is going up in a trend, it has to be a trend, because if it's rangy, that shit is gonna look so gross. It's like I know it's gonna look gross. I really want to start testing it, and I'm glad the week is over. I don't really go Friday. Sometimes I need a break. I'm making videos. I go to the gym. I gotta go to work. It's a lot of shit I gotta do, man. I really want to have 100 subscribers, but yeah. So boom, you enter here. Oh my gosh, I have to test this. Like, look, boom. Okay, let's see. It hits. This is 50 though. This probably a loss. This is 50. It's got to be 50. Oh no, yeah, that's 50. He lost. Boom, boom. All right, they should start losing right here. Pull back. That nearby loses. I'm not even looking at it. Look, that's the nearby loss. Yeah, the market is weak, but we gonna count that nearby as a loss. Yeah, the nearby might be gone, bro. The nearby might be gone. Yeah, the nearby, it gotta be gone. What time is it right here? It's what time I stop? 4. It's about 3. Let's see. So near, no. Is EI formed against? I probably wouldn't do no EI here. Hell no. At this time, I probably wouldn't do no EI. I'll probably just do straight fucking nearbys. And but look. This is formed though. Boom. Boom. This is formed. Drop 50. Drop. Oh my fucking. This shit works like a fucking. Woo! This joint is hot like lava grease. Oh my god. Because that would have been like 10-4. And it's way more entries. Oh my god. I don't know what to call this. I called it the trend following live test. The new setup 3 retracement candles, then enter off the 50. Enter 0.5% off the fib in the trending direction. 2 weeks, 1-to-1 RR. The goal is 60% win rate. Yeah. So. So let's see. We can say 7. We can say 7. 7. We could just say 6.8. We could just say 6.8%. So look, and this is why I love my strategy. And the crazy thing, I'm so greedy. But nearby, it's just not good. It's just not. Because it's like, the 1 minute is so strategically good. Niggas don't want to be so hard-headed. It's like when I used to look at 1 minute, even back in the day, people was like, it wasn't profitable. So I would listen because I'm new to the game. But 4 years in, this 1 minute bro, imagine if I did this new setup. I seen 11 wins and I seen like 4 losses. So that would have been 6%, another 6, and a 4. That would have been 15% in 1 day. And even if you don't do 1%, you could do 7.5. We're gonna be rich, boys. We're gonna be rich. I know why you two don't promote me now. Because this strategy is sexy. It looks good. And I'm testing it. Keynotes. Yeah, I don't. So we're writing another keynote. I don't know. It's just not called the EI though. I don't know what I want to call this. Tree. If I see it nearby tree, I can call it tree. Tree. We're gonna call it tree because it's 3 candles. Tree. Let's see. Follow. All right. Follow the trend. Follow the trend. Let me put number 1. First, follow the trend. Follow the trend. First, follow the trend. Second, wait for. Second, follow the trend. Second, wait for 3. I said this before. I wrote this a long time. Ago. 3 candles. Third enter off 0.5% on the fib. Because look, this is when I started. This is when I started testing the strategy. This is where I started testing it. It was like 13. It was 13 and 13 random cash setups. Then Planet. This was 13 and 13. And then a replay was 5 and thing. But I never really had I'm not really cashing no 5s. Like, it was 4. Come on, I won't be like. And then the second one was 4 L's with 3. I'm not really catching that because all of them is 3. So this had to be edited. But I knew where I was going with this. Randomly test every area. You can put the 50 fib and enter. Take the best setups and only follow the trend rules. Bigger RR, follow the trend. I always said follow the trend. Rewind the time and take the best setup. Must be at a 65% win rate. So those are my rules when I started this setup. And I started this setup in 4/14. It's almost been a month. It's almost been a month since I started this. And then I retested it a lot. And now I'm doing in real time for almost 3 weeks. And it's almost perfected. Not perfected, but it's already profitable, but it's almost good at profitable. Like, look who we caught today. We caught 11%. 11%. I'm just testing the 3-to-1 RR. It's not good. And it's not good, to be honest. It's not very good. It was only one day that actually took it outstanding. I think it could win in the long run, though. Like right now is the 1 RR and the 3-1 RR randomly. If it's a random trendy day, you could catch about 3 RRs, 3 RR wins. But right now it's probably like the 1 is probably a little bit higher. Now, I would have said we done, but we're not. We're gonna speed through this one. I wouldn't like the tree. Look, we getting used to calling it the tree. Like the look at the nearbys for this. The nearby is okay. Like it's way better. It's way better for 30. Way better for 30. And I feel it's better for 30. I'm not even kidding. I'm not kidding when I say I know it's better for 30. I can see it. Like, it's certain stuff I like when you retest your strategy. It's like, I don't think you should do other people's strategy. Or if you do, just keep fucking testing it. And then it's not so much testing you could do. It's either buy or sell, but I'm trying to perfect this. I'm about to pass the challenge. Well, almost, but top tier talking about I was over leveraging. Fucking dweebs. Fucking dweebs. Fucking dweebs. All right, let me stop. So the tree is the new one. So we might take this 3R. I want to test it for a little longer, but tree is coming soon. Tree is coming soon. And it might pluck out nearby. I want to test the tree. Should I test the tree, guys? I'm talking to nobody, but I should test the tree. I should test it. I should test it. I should test it. I should test it. I should go crazy. We gonna put it. We gonna. Welcome, tree. We got EI. We have nearby. We have tree. We have 530 to 730. 530 730 is not really a strategy, so I can't name it, but tree is. So tree. So we have keynotes. We have the EI. Don't enter the big. Don't enter big if it's a big rich. I don't even like that shit no more. I might have just explained what the hell EI is. All right. So the keynotes, I'm explaining what it is. So EI, I'm gonna change it eventually. I'm gonna change it now because what's not? Why not? So EI. You know what? I'm not gonna delete that. I'm gonna just. Ooh. No. No. Okay. Okay. So boom. This is what we can write for EI. So press enter for that. So EI to first weight has to touch support 2 times before entering. Has to touch support 2 times before entering. Enter second. Enter at the first or second. Damn. I hope they know what damn, I don't know what that means. Second touch. Enter the first or second. Enter the first or second. Retrace. Oh my gosh. Retracement. Oh my gosh. Retracement. Enter at the first or second. God damn. Oh my god. And then my computer loud. I don't know why it's loud. I should have got a PC. I got a laptop. I'm gonna get a PC once I keep getting money off this. That's a good retracement. Support area. Third TP 2.2. The hell? What is this number? 72. Off fib. We're gonna put stars around this. I might delete this though. I don't really like this. I don't really like it. But we just gonna keep it. If it depends on how I feel. Maybe I'll look back on this and be like, I'm just glad I wrote the rules to this. Tree. We're gonna keep tree for now. Okay, it's we have keynotes. First, it has to touch support 2 times before entering. Second, enter at the first or second retracement of the support area. Third, TP is 2.27 of the fib. Don't enter if it's a big retracement. Wrong. I can edit it. We got the EI. We have tree. We have nearby. We will write the nearby keynote. We don't have breakout area. We could write what the fuck a breakout area is. We wouldn't put in the keynote though, because that's not really part of our strategy. It's just breakout. You can try to figure out a way to make it better, but I like that I wrote this keynote. I'm glad, because I might make a video tomorrow on it. What's today? A tree. So let's. You got my time and things that we were here. I don't even know. I won more of 30, but gold was it was beautiful today. I'm telling you, the tree. I really want to test the tree out on this. I don't think the tree would be good. I honestly, I don't think the tree is going to be good on 30. I really don't think the tree is going to be good on 30. But tree can be. I know it's going to be good on 30. That's why I said I might. Like I said, if I keep testing, I don't really have to test that long, to be honest. Test in real time, because nearby is good for. Oh, it's okay for 30. Like 6 for 4 yesterday. 2 and 2. No EIs. EI is very good. That was the first time we was negative. Nearby 7 and 4. Regular entries. Maybe tree will be good. Nearby, like I said, another. It's usually good. It's usually like 65% for 30. I'm okay with nearbys for 30. Like look, 4 and 0, 3 and 1, 6 and 3, 8 and 5. First time negative, but damn, yeah, it's your first time negative. 6 and 2, and now we're going. Should we try a tree at any time or 5:30? 5:30. You know what? We're not gonna try. We're not gonna confuse it. We're gonna just do 5:30 to 7:30 of random entering. Because tree is kind of the same thing. Like that's tree, but that's a random enter. So that's tree. It's 3 candles instead of 2. So we'll count that as 1. I'm not gonna count it as an entry. I'm not. It kind of is, but I don't know if it like came here, wicked down, and came back. Like, all right, it came from here. It could have wicked up, wicked up. I don't know. No, because that would have been a full body candle. That could count. Okay. We could count it. So that's 2. Let's see how far. If it goes up to there, that means that's 2 for that too. Yeah. What the fuck? Oh my god, this was 5:30. No. Okay. Damn. I gotta start over because that's 5:30. It's 2 W's and 5:30 quick too. Damn. Oh my gosh. So fuck. Damn. Now we gotta start. I'm like, damn, that was quick. Okay. Okay, let's now do it. Let's see how. Damn. Damn. Damn, what the hell we got for 30? I didn't think I traded 30 and 530. Did I? Oh, I was late to the party. That's what it was. It won't okay. It won't really too much. It won't really too much you could do on 30 today. Damn, it really won't too much. You got my time and money wasted for time. That's another one. I feel like my nose is about to bleed. Hold up. That's another one. Oh, the 30. Is 30 gonna win? It's finally gonna win a higher RR off the. Let's see. Oh no. It ain't over yet. God damn, zoom in. This shit look nasty. I like this. Is this a L? Oh no, it hits. This one still count. It's still in there. Can it? You got my time and money wasted. Can it? Can 30? Oh, can 30 be profitable? Can a 3-to-1 RR actually be profitable today? Yo, imagine. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That's 8%. No. That's the first. Oh my gosh. This will make up for days, bro. This will make up for days. Like, bro, I just gotta show. I don't even know who's in live. I don't care if anybody's in it. This is about 10%. This is 0%. This is -5%. I think this when we damn. I don't got enough stats. But I swear, one day was it gold? Was it gold? We went. I swear, I thought it was 30. I thought 30. We went another one. We're missing one. We are missing. Oh yeah. Yeah, it was another one. So we went -4. Look. -4, -9. That just canceled it out. All right. These two just canceled one day out. One day just canceled 2 days out. And we're still -3 from start testing this strategy because this cancels out. You still probably like -1 point. You probably like -1. Wow, that's crazy. But overall, the 1% rarely loses. It's mainly break even. So maybe, like I said, if it's a trendy market one day, this strategy will just replace everything. And this is a trendy day. This shit just wipes the floor with every fucking jump. It wipes the floor. It just wipes the floor. See, we might lose again though. Let's see, unless it can keep going up. Yeah, that's a loss. We will be testing tree. So I'm really kind of done. It's too high for me. Boom, 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 dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I really want to. I low key want to trade this bitch. It's too high. Not even that it's too high. It's just can't enter this one. Like boom, boom. Like this is nasty work. This is nasty. All right, nasty. Wake up, you lose this one. Wake up, you win this one. So lose, win. It's a L. It's like I ain't gonna lie. Once I got them 3 wins, I'm probably done. I ain't gonna lie. I'm done. I'm done. We're not even gonna count 5. So it's just 4 and 3. We probably to win 5 and 2 or 3 and 3. Beautiful day for the 3 we're on RR. Very beautiful. Now we're going to tree. So with this tree will be starting, and tree is actually pretty good. So tree, 3 candles, doesn't hit 50, doesn't want to come up. 3 candles, 3 candles, 3 candles, 3 red candles. Let's go. We doing nearby, tree, and EIs. Usually EIs is mainly meant for gold. You don't see a lot of EIs, but I think I caught a couple of EIs today. I seen a couple of EIs. Hell no. Why the fuck would I draw this? I think I did draw this, but I was like, I deleted it. Hell no. Delete this shit. We are not your light beam. We are not your light beam. This is a God's dream. This is a God's dream. This is everything. So nearby. Ooh, nearby. Nearby. Tree and a nearby. It's both. See? I think you lose both too. This is a nearby and a tree. I really just call this a tree. Because I probably just say, fuck you. I honestly would have just said, what would y'all call this? A nearby or a tree? It might lose. Huh? I really want to call it a tree. It is a nearby, but we're gonna call it a tree. And you know, it's like I don't want to name it both. I want to put I should put nearby and tree at the same area. Because it's really kind of the same thing. Not we're gonna put tree. This is a nearby though, too. It's just show tree optimistics, like 3 candles and it whips back down. 3 candles, like right here. Like, but that's probably not enough points. It's not even 10. Let's see. Let's just see this. Yeah, that's too little. That's at least 10. With the tree. Will this count? Hold on. I don't know if this is a tree or it's both actually. Oh my gosh, it's good though. The tree is good. They don't count it as a tree. This is really a tree because This is a nearby too, though. Fuck. I don't want to, because I wouldn't enter it both. I wouldn't. It's kind of the same. Like if this was 2 candles and it went down, I'd quantify it as a nearby. But this is really a tree. This is really a tree. This is kind of a nearby. I'm gonna call it a tree because a nearby. Okay, I'm gonna call it a tree. Okay, tree is formed against us. No, did I draw some Pacific over there? No. Okay. Nothing crazy. Boom. Tree. All right. Delete these trees, man. Tree is fucking killing it. Like I said, I seen it on gold. It was like 12 and 4, bro. I was just counting it in my head. I just didn't write it down. But I ain't gonna lie. This is a nearby, bro. It's like, but it's really a tree too, though. A tree and a nearby can be the same thing, but a nearby can't be a tree, but a tree can be a nearby, but a nearby can be a tree too. But a nearby could be a nearby and a tree could be a tree. Like, let me see a tree. This is a tree, but this one a nearby. This is a tree. This not a nearby. Where's a nearby with no tree? We ain't see one yet. Oh my gosh. It's not even 50. This can't be 50. This won't be 50. It won't be 50. But if it is, you gotta answer. It's a tree. It's a tree. You know what? I'm gonna put one for nearby. I'm gonna be on realistic terms and put one for nearby. Probably enter it twice. Fine. That's one nearby. It won't a bunch of nearbys. Girl, what's wrong? What's wrong? Hold up. What's wrong? You okay? I thought girl. My fault. I thought a girl was crying. Alright, so a bunch of tree. This ain't tree yet. Now it's tree. So boom. We lose one tree, but we gain. I don't know. Tree is looking amazing. Tree is looking real good. That's a nearby too. No, this is not a nearby because nearby is kind of out as 2 candles. Tree is kind of out as 3. But this can be an EI. This can be an EI. It's going to be an EI. Fuck. What did I write this as? Okay, yeah, I didn't. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. There's nowhere to even enter at. Wouldn't be nowhere to enter. How did I write this? Yes, sir. So nearby. This is a nearby. So boom, 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 nearby wins. Wow. Nah, I ain't really lose too. Where the fuck did I lose at? I probably lost in this 530 shit. Whoa, I lost. Where did I lose? I lost one time. Right here. Yes. Did I count this? Oh no, I gotta count it then. And these the 253. Oh my gosh. I hit this one. So fuck. I was like, damn, I know I lost one time, but it was very okay. So 530, you gotta count it. So LL. So L I and the I and then two I's because it just didn't hit. It just didn't hit. So nearby. Low key, you can. Nah, I don't like this. I don't. I ain't gonna lie. I don't like that. I don't like that EI. I don't. Can you enter off this right here? Yes. Profitably. Yes. I just want to. Yeah. Fuck yeah. So fix this. Hold on. Don't lie. You can't enter the EI off this. This is not a bad EI. Like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Enter off here. Wick. Tree. So 1 loss, 2 loss. So 2 and 2. So I and I. Because 1. Fuck. Is this EI notified? Did I enter? You know what? This is not a bad This is not a very bad EI. 1, 2. Let's look at gold again. Where is the gold? I entered this one. 1, bam, 2, bam, 3. Wait, 1, bam, 2. All right, starts here. 1, bam, 2, bam. I gave respect to that EI. 1, bam, 2, bam. This is. It gotta breathe a little bit. We're not gonna count it. Got a tree. Has another tree. Has another tree. Tree happens a lot though. Thing about tree, you can just get on the chart and just look. And this is a nearby. I would enter a nearby with a buy too. I ain't gonna lie too. I answered. So boom. Another tree. I will enter this tree. I will. Where's this tree? Tree right here. Yeah, that's plans. Tree. This is a nice EI. I entered. Okay, now I will enter this EI. Even though it ain't perfect, but this is nasty. So boom, bam, 4, bam, 5, bam, 5, bam, enter E I, and let's see. So EI does work. Bro, tree is so fucking good. Tree is so good, bro. Tree is so good, bro. I told you it kept winning on gold. I said 66%. This is showing six. This is showing. Oh, I love. Oh my God. All right, nearby. Yep, nearby. Tree. Lost. I'm counting this shit as a nearby. That's nearby, bro. I counted L for both because I counted L for both on one of them shits. That's a nearby. I would enter a nearby. Yeah, I entered it nearby. I would. I ain't gonna lie. I would have entered that nearby. I would have entered that nearby. So we're gonna. I'll enter this nearby. Don't do what I do, but yeah, you could do what I do because it's lost. It didn't want to go down, so I just quick enter this nearby. So yes, I would have entered this nearby. Damn, we're almost 2 hours in. I probably won't enter this tree. Formed against us? Nah. Let's see, 30. I think it's time for price to rise up. I would have thought it was still do tree. Tree never forms. Tree never forms. Tree forms. Boom. Now, look where we're at right now. 5-2, 3-1, one EI, and 7-3 tree. That's 70% win rate. So tree is booming. You notice it. If you go on 5 minutes, it's really an uptrend. Okay, boom. Tree is formed against us. See if tree works. Tree does work. Oh my gosh. Tree does work. Oh my gosh. I kind of want to. I'm kind of done. This is nearby. Nearby and tree. I just want to name it nearby. I'm going to just name it nearby. Nearby. Since it's a tree, it might work. Nearby loses. We're not putting trees and nearbys together. We did it once for the L's and we did it once for the thing. So we're gonna call that a nearby, which is just if it's a nearby, it's just a fucking nearby. If it's a nearby, it's not a tree. We're just gonna say that. Keep it real. It should look nasty. Okay. Because we probably missed some trees. I don't like this tree. 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 Don't like this tree. I'll take this tree. The tree never happens. This is a tree being formed against us. Tree never happens. Just don't like this tree. It's too small. Where is price at? It's 1 o'clock. Boom. Price can't form against us. This tree is formed. Boom. Tree. Tree is lost. What's wrong? I don't like this tree. We're not gonna count this tree. See, like this, I'm not gonna count a tree inside a tree. Like I didn't count the EI inside the EI. That would have been a tree in the tree. And it's starting to reverse. You can tell it's starting to reverse. So I'll enter this tree though. This is kind of a nearby too. Okay, I'm low-key kind of. This is a nearby. I don't know. This is not no L, bro. Is it? Come on, that ain't no L, bro. That's not a L. They wouldn't have it, you know. Tree is formed against us. Tree fails. So tree. God damn. What is this? 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 out of 5. I think it's better for gold, to be honest. Never forms. Never forms. Does form though. I could say never form, but look. Tree kind of does form. Tree is formed. Tree is formed. Is that a 50? If it's 50, we're gonna count it as a loss. I'm gonna hit 50. Okay, that's a tree. It's kind of like an EI, to be honest. Is this an EI? This is nearby, right? Did I count this nearby? Yeah, I did. I said that was a nearby. That's how you know I'm starting to just notice. All right. What is this? 1, 2, 3. Click. Nearby is formed against us. We had into the story about open here and every story rocks. Okay, let's go. EON 3.41, nearby 2%. You took a minute for today. 2%. Which is like 3.4. 3.4%. %. 9. You can say 9, 10, 10.5, take away 4, 6.5. You can say 6.2%. 6.2%. Tree. You can enter way more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5. 11, 5, 6%. So 6%. Okay. All right. That's it. Good. Thank you and good night.